Stop, bro. You're gonna kill that dude, man.
I know, bro. Hold on, slow down. Stop.
He's not even trying to stop,
You
man.
know? Why is he not stopping? Stop, y'all. Stop. This is crazy, bro.